Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: Who was the first Indian athlete to win an individual Olympic medal? Answer B. K.D. Jadhav. Question: In which Olympic Games did Abhinav Bindra win India's first individual gold medal? Answer A. Beijing 2008. Question: Which Indian athlete won a bronze medal in wrestling at the 1952 Helsinki Olympics? Answer A. K.D. Jadhav. Question: Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer A. Karnam Malleshwari. Question: In which sport did Karnam Malleshwari win an Olympic bronze medal for India? Answer B. Weightlifting. Question: Which Indian shooter won a silver medal in the 2012 London Olympics? Answer B. Gagan Narang. Question: Who won the first Olympic medal for India in hockey? Answer A. Dhyan Chand. Question: In which year did the Indian men's hockey team win their first Olympic gold medal? Answer A. 1928. Question: Who is the only Indian to have won an Olympic medal in tennis? Answer A. Leander Paes. Question: Which medal did Leander Paes win at the 1996 Atlanta Olympics? Answer C. Bronze. Question: Who was the first Indian to win an Olympic medal in boxing? Answer B. Mary Kom. Question: Mary Kom won a bronze medal in which Olympic year? Answer E. 2012 London. Question: Who was the first Indian to win a silver medal at the Olympics? Answer A. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod. Question: Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod won his Olympic medal in which sport? Answer A. Shooting. Question: Which Indian athlete won a bronze medal in wrestling at the 2008 Beijing Olympics? Answer A. Sushil Kumar. Question: Sushil Kumar won which medal in the 2012 London Olympics? Answer B. Silver. Question: Who was the first Indian to win two individual Olympic medals? Answer A. Sushil Kumar. Question: In which sport did P.T. Usha narrowly miss an Olympic medal in 1984 Los Angeles? Answer A. 400-meter hurdles. Question: Who was the first Indian woman to participate in the Olympics? Answer C. Neelima Ghose. Question: Which Indian athlete won a gold medal in shooting at the 2002 Commonwealth Games and later an Olympic medal? Answer B. Abhinav Bindra. Question: Who was the first Indian to win an Olympic medal in badminton? Answer D. None. Question: PV Sindhu won which medal at the 2016 Rio Olympics? Answer B. Silver. Question. Which Indian athlete won a bronze medal in boxing at the 2012 London Olympics? Answer B. Mary Kom. Question. Who won the first Olympic gold medal for India in shooting? Answer A. Abhinav Bindra. Question. Which Indian athlete won a bronze medal in wrestling at the 2016 Rio Olympics? Answer C. Sakshi Malik. Question. Sakshi Malik won her Olympic medal in which year? Answer B. 2016 Rio. Question. Who was the first Indian to win an Olympic medal in athletics? Answer B. Norman Pritchard. Question. Norman Pritchard won medals in which Olympic year? Answer A. 1900 Paris. Question. Which Indian athlete won a bronze medal in wrestling at the 2012 London Olympics? Answer A. Yogeshwar Dutt. Question. Who won the first Olympic medal for India in shooting? Answer A. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.